Abu can't do manual flips?
No, you can't do any manual flips.
No manual flips?
No, not with that.
Okay, I'll do it.
Don't try it. I said you can't do it because the propellers don't stop spinning. Don't go up too high because I'm still scared you might go on the roof.
Oh, it's really good at flying. And it's fast.
Yeah, you're flying kind of fast.
I am?
You can't drop the throttle like that though. That's what makes you fall when you drop the throttle. Don't.
Okay, I'm not. It's doing. What's wrong with it?
When you turn, don't stop and then turn. Keep going forward and turn.
Every time I turn, it falls.
It's time to bring it down, Kasim. Oh my goodness. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Now hit the switch that I told you. The one up top.
This one?
No, up higher. Up higher. Right there. Feel it? Yeah. Pull it towards you. Okay, now go.
Wow. No, that's not bad.
Hey, don't drop the throttle like that, man. You're gonna break it. It'll come down too hard. You can't come off the throttle like that. You gotta come off the throttle slow. And you're flying kind of fast too.
That's why I'm a freak.
Look, you're up too high. You're about to go on the roof.
As you can see, the master flyer just becoming on
Bring it back. Kasim, you can't just fly it in two people now. Come on. You were just about to fly into that lady back there. Now you flew into yourself, see?